2024, our company delivered 37 single-phase pad-mounted transformers to a customer in Jamaica. This included 2 units of the 25 kV model, mainly to provide power distribution products for local residential areas. Scotech tailored the optimal transformer solution to meet customer needs. All units were made to IEEE standards, ensuring reliability and long-term performance. The primary high voltage is 24 Gerdai 13, 812 Gerdai 6.9 kV, which is a dual voltage design. Customers can switch between 13.8 kV and 6.9 kV using the dual voltage selector switch, depending on the distribution line. It has a no-load tap changer NLTC to 0.5% for voltage adjustment. The secondary voltage is 24 Zerix, 12 kV, suitable for homes and small businesses.